So hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna explain you how to apply for YouTube monetization. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. So firstly you need to go to monetization and click on start button. Okay, so whenever you click on start button, then it will ask you to select and give some permissions. Okay, so I am giving some permissions and click on continue button. Okay, so whenever you click on continue button, it will be redirected to Google account space to select your account, right? I am just selecting my Google account here and redirected to sign up page, right? So here you need to sign up for Google AdSense. So in this option you need to select your country, like native country. So I just selecting India, and you need to review your terms and conditions. So now click on create account. Okay, so now the AdSense account will be created on your Google account, right? So now we need to click on get started button over here, and it will ask you some permissions and it will ask you some address proofs and address for your identity. So I just entering these all address proofs, and I am also uploading documentary, right? So after that you need to click on this redirect button over here and click on continue to studio. So here you can see in progress. Whenever the monetization progress will completed, then a mail will be received to your Gmail account. So this is how you can apply for YouTube monetization. Thank you for watching.